This is another easy one. If you want to use zip ties to attach your PVC handles to your base plate, just get yourself 4 zip ties. I'm using 7.5-inch ones here. So just take 2 of the zip ties and feed one into the locking nut of the other, just a short way, a couple of clicks, and then do the same on the other side, just a couple of clicks. We'll do the same with the other 2. Couple clicks. Same on the other end. Okay, now what we're going to do is take our handles and our base here, hold them together, and we're just going to slip this over. And what we want is for the locking nut right here to be propped right under the edge of the base plate. So stick that in place there, hold on to it. You're trying to hold the whole thing in place. And now start tightening up this one up here. Just push it down. Right up until we get this under the edge of the base plate. And then start tightening it into place by pulling it through. Just trying to make sure you can see it here. Tighten it into place. So it's basically like a U-bolt. That'll keep them nice and sturdy. And once that's in place, do the same with the other one. Put it over, locking nut underneath, and start to feed this down. Until it's tight at the base. Tighten them both up. And once you have them, just grab some kind of clippers. Go right up to the nut. And just trim them off. And nice and sturdy. So there's your 3 ways of connecting your PVC handles to your base plate.